Raja Ampat, the ultimate pristine paradise in West Papua. Far from the view-blocking skyscrapers, dense and hectic concrete jungles, congested traffics, flickering electric billboards, endless annoying noises, and all the nuisances of modern cities, you will find a pristine paradise where Mother Nature and warm friendly people welcome you with all the exceptional wonders in Raja Ampat, the island's regency, in West Papua province. With all the spectacular wonders above and beyond its waters, as well as on land and amidst the thick jungles, this is truly the place where words such as beautiful, enchanting, magnificent, and fascinating get its true physical meaning. The Emperor, of Four. Situated off the northwest tip of Bird's Head Peninsula on Papua, the most eastern island of the Indonesian archipelago, Raja Ampat, or literally meaning, the Four Kings, is an archipelago comprising over 1,500 small islands, cays, and shoals surrounding the four main islands of Waigeo, Batanta, Salawati, and Misool. The name Raja Ampat itself is believed to derive from a legend where a woman found 7 eggs, with 4 of them hatch and become the kings of the 4 main islands, while the other 3 became a woman, a ghost, and a stone. For underwater enthusiasts, Raja Ampat definitely offers some of the world's ultimate experience. The territory within the islands of the Four Kings is enormous, covering 9.8 million acres of land and sea, home to 540 types of corals, more than 1,000 types of coral fish and 700 types of mollusks. This makes it the most diverse living library for the world's coral reef and underwater biota. According to report, developed by the Nature Conservancy and Conservation International, around 75% of the world's species live here. Raja Ampat's sheer numbers and diversity of marine life and its huge pristine coral reef systems are a scuba dream come true, and a fantastic sight for snorkelers too. As you embark on your dive here, the phrase, "attention to detail," takes on new meaning as pygmy seahorses swim around your fingers. Manta rays and wobbegongs will glide right by you. Schools of tuna fish, giant trevallies, snappers, batfish, and even barracudas are there to complete your underwater meeting list. Not to mention the friendly assistant of the dugong, and a busy colleague, the turtle. Down at the seafloors, giant sea clams measuring to over 1 meter in length truly offers one-of-kind close encounter sensation. Obviously, there are a lot of diving and snorkeling spots to choose from in these vast waters. Among these are at the Kabui Passage, the very narrow passage between Waigeo and Gam Island crossed by the renowned British explorer, Alfred Russel Wallace in 1860, around the Arborek Islands dock, Sawandarik, Yenbuba, Friwen Wall, and many, many more. While its underwater splendors are beyond exceptional, the landscape above the surface is equally breathtaking. As if it was carefully designed and placed with such aesthetic, the rock islets amidst the clear blue water and bright blue sky in Pianamo offer some of the most spectacular sceneries on the face of the earth. Looking down from the top of the hill, it almost seems that Mother Nature painted her finest artwork and offers a glimpse of paradise. Further at Wayag Island, you will also find an amazing rock islets formation in an even bigger scale. The incredible wildlife of Raja Ampat does not stop underwater. Amidst the many thick jungles within the islands, one can still find various bird species including the spectacular Cendrawasih or the bird of paradise. There is also an endemic species of couscous, the Waigeo couscous or Waigeo spotted couscous, which is a species of marsupial in the family Phalangaridae.